Here we are, back out here now. We've got the EACHINE Rally Drift Car 1/16 scale, same as the UDI RC 1603. We're just going to do a little run with it on a 2S battery lipo. I've just set up the GPS on there. It's reading 0, and just gonna see that reading 0. I'm just gonna make sure it's reading on the GPS, and then let's see what we can get out of her. Give it a little squeeze. Right, let's make sure the GPS is running. We've got a 48 kV 2435 brushless motor in there. Yes, it's reading 18 miles an hour. We've got on that 18 miles an hour so far. Just to show you, hope you can see that. 18 miles an hour on that. Right, we're just going to give it a little squeeze now and see what we can do. Not bad, 18 miles an hour. Hopefully no cars come just yet. Can't hear nothing. Right. Ooh. Steering looks a little bit off, but we'll see what we can do with this like this. There we go. Ooh. Ooh, slid out there. Yeah. Pulling to one side. Let's just go that again. Wind her up, say. I can't get it full throttle. Alright. See what we can do and bring her back up. Oh, she's pulling. She wants to drift. She wants to drift. Let's bring her back, see what we got. Can't go full out. Can't go. Ooh, that's 30 miles an hour. Not bad. 30 miles an hour. Hope you can see that. 30 miles an hour. Yeah, not too bad. Alright, at least it's 30 miles an hour, not under. But I can't get it to go straight. Let's try again. Let's see what we can do again. See if we beat that. Ooh. Yeah, she likes to pull to the right. Bring her back up. I don't think we beat that at the moment because I doesn't want to go in a straight line. Yeah. Oh, she just wants to launch. Oh! Wow, you caught that on camera, I hope. Yes. Turning it at high speed. We've got a vehicle coming up. Yes. That wasn't very good. Still 30. Didn't beat the speed, but yeah, let's take her back. You saw it first on there. 30 miles an hour. I can't keep it straight line. So I think we'll go back to drawing board a little bit, but that's still good speed. And sorry about this. So by the time around all this, the GPS is still working, battery's come out. See what damage we've done. Oh yeah, top spoiler, I know that will go straight away, but that's alright. The body, little scuffs on the body, a few little scuffs on the body. Still looking pretty. Yeah, still looking alright, not too bad. Yeah, well, we'll call it like that. I'll take it back. I'm going to set up this steering. She wants to pull a lot over to one side. Going to give it full throttle. But 30 miles an hour, first go out. Nice little flip. Hey. Alright, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. We'll have the UDI 1601 out on the 3S. um, in a little while now, and then I'll upload a video of that. Yes. So anyway, we'll see what we can do, and thanks for watching again.